In this video, let us discuss how to find mean of group data. First, let us understand why we need to find the mean. Let us take a scenario where we have a school and we have 3 sections of class 10 and the students from the 3 sections have given their math exam. We have to find which section has performed well in this exam. We cannot compare the individual scores and find which section has done well, but if we had a representative value for each section, then it would be easy to compare and we can find easily which section has scored good marks. The value representation of the whole data is called as an average of the data. There are 3 types of averages for data analysis. They are mean, median and mode. In this video, we will discuss mean of group data. Let us find the mean of the data given to us. We have the class interval and the frequency given. Let us first find the class mark. We look at the class interval and then we find the class mark by adding the upper class limit plus the lower class limit and dividing it by 2. So for the first class interval 0 to 10, we will add 0 plus 10 and divide it by 2. We will get the answer as 5. So our first class mark is 5. We similarly find all the other class marks. Once we have completed this, our next step is to calculate Fi Xi. For this, we multiply these 2 columns. So for the first class interval 0 to 10, we will multiply 7 into 5 and we will write our Fi Xi as 35. We will then multiply 10 into 15 and we will get 150. Once we have found all the Fi Xi's, our next step is to add the Fi Xi. For this, we add all the numbers in this column. We get the answer as 1290. Our next step is to add all the frequencies. So when we add all the numbers in this column, we'll get the answer as 50. Now we use the formula mean equal to sigma Fi Xi upon Fi and we get the answer as 25.8. Let us take another example where the mean of the frequency distribution is already given to us as 18. We have to find the frequency of the class interval 19 to 21, which is not given to us. Our first step is to find the class mark. For this class interval 11 to 13, the class mark will be 12. After finding all the class marks for all the class intervals, we then multiply Fi and Xi. Now for the first class interval, we'll multiply 3 into 12 and we will get 36. After finding these numbers, let us look at the class interval 19 to 21. We will multiply f into 20 and write it as 20f. Now we find these Fi Xi's. Our next step is to find sigma Fi Xi. For this, we add all the numbers in this column except 20f. The sum of all the numbers in this column is 704 and we write plus 20f over here. We also have to find sigma Fi. So for this, we have to add all the numbers of this column except f. We add all the numbers and get 40. We write plus f over here. The mean is given by the formula sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi. We know the mean as 18. We plug in the values of sigma Fi Xi and sigma Fi which we found over here. We solve the equation and find the value of f as 8. So the frequency for this class distribution 19 to 21 is 8. Here we have used the direct method to find the mean. The direct method can be used whenever multiplying the frequency and the class mark is easy. We at School Exam Prep like to make maths concepts clear so that you can score good marks. We have chapter wise study material for grades 9 and 10 maths. For grade 10, we have sample papers. We also have solved past board papers. We have online one-to-one or one-to-many coaching so that you can excel in your exams. For more details, visit our website schoolexamprep.in or WhatsApp or call 944 994 8591. Thanks for watching.